Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'd like to talk about some closing of company and the dismissal of all entire employee. So today I read some article regarding some fruit mill companies closing their business and they are going to fire all of their workers without any payment. However, labor union requested for some collective bargaining before the company is closed at the end of the November. So then in such a collective bargaining meeting, employees suggest because of long time deficit of company's operation, they decide to close the company. So in this case, when employer intend to close their business, they'll be exempt from any obligation for employment. That means employer can fire people without any compensation. So I think when employee reduce the number of workers or to get over some difficult situation, in that case they can reduce the number of workers. In this case, company use manager dismissal requirement. Then they can fire some people without any compensation. However, there are some legal requirements for such a managerial dismissal. However, in this case, when company decide to close their business, there are no obligation for employer to take. So in this case, company can easily fire all workers of the employee. In this fruit mill company that produce some milk or related the product, so this company have suffered a long time deficit, so they decide to close their business. So in this process, they inform all workers for the termination of their employment without any compensation. However, when union requests some special compensation, then the employer offered 2 months additional salary to those who signed some resignation letter. In this case, I'm very doubtful that this fruit mill company will close really because of some closing of their business, because it has been subsidy of one of the major business groups, Lotte Group. Also, they have a very close relationship with Lotte. So I think employer may reduce all employees, and they'll sell this company and their facility, also their sales the channels. So this is look like it's not real the closing of their business. So, however, the labor law cannot protect in this case. So I'm sure until the end of November, there will be a lot of labor disputes about their some compensation, because the employee's perspective, without enough compensation, it would be very difficult to survive, because it will take a long time to get a new job. So I think it's understandable that union take a very strong strike. Yeah. So I think this case will be a major issue in November, before they are really their business is really closed. Okay, this is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.